From high above Grafskoye, the kill chain closed in silence. A Kh-38 ML precision missile slammed into a temporary deployment site of Ukraine's 58th Separate Motorized Infantry Brigade, detonating at the center of the position. The blast tore through shelters and equipment in 1 instant, leaving the staging area shredded and the unit's presence in the village abruptly wiped off the map. Striking footage captures a massive afternoon assault on a key enemy logistical artery, a bridge near Odessa. Precision munitions and attack drones slammed into the railway and road bridges in the village of Zatoka, igniting fires and leaving one of the bridge towers engulfed in flames, effectively severing the route. Pentagon report, December 16th. The U.S. military announced combat operations in international waters. The U.S. Armed Forces carried out strikes on 3 vessels in the Pacific Ocean, which were strongly suspected of transporting narcotics. This operation, conducted by the Joint Task Force Southern Spear, the Pentagon confirmed that they carried out lethal kinetic strikes. In the Kherson region, unmanned systems teams of the Dnepr group helped destroy a camouflaged Ukrainian artillery gun on the right bank of the Dnepr River. The target was detected by an airborne forces Zala reconnaissance drone hidden in a forest belt, after which artillery struck the coordinates and eliminated the gun. Russian troops have liberated the settlement of Peshenoye in the Dnipropetrovsk region, pushing forward and tightening control over the area after clearing enemy positions. Gone in seconds. A precision strike from a Tornado-S multiple launch rocket system tore through Ukrainian air defense assets positioned inside Gulyaypole, wiping the system off the map in seconds. The guided rockets slammed into the emplacement with overwhelming force, ripping apart launch components, radar elements, and support vehicles in a single coordinated salvo. Twin thermobaric strikes tore through Ukrainian defenses on 2 axes at once. In the Krasnoarmysk sector, a TOS-1A Sonsepyak from the center group unleashed its salvo into a hardened armed forces of Ukraine strongpoint, collapsing fortifications and snuffing out resistance in seconds. Almost simultaneously, on the Zaporizhzhia front near Gulyaypole, a TOS-2 Tosochka crew from the East Group reduced another enemy position to rubble. Shockwaves ripped through bunkers and firing pits, leaving both strongholds erased, and the defensive line punched open by fire and pressure alone. Complete onslaught in the Sunumi region. The Grad multiple rocket launcher system belonging to the 34th Separate Guards Motor Rifle Brigade, North Troop Grouping, has just launched a precise strike. The targets destroyed were the fortified positions and engineering structures of the armed forces of Ukraine in the Sumy region. In the fighting around the settlement, Russian drone crews from the 60th Guards Motorized Rifle Brigade, working alongside operators of the 14th Guards Special Forces Brigade from the Vostok grouping, hunted down a Ukrainian tank maneuvering in the area. The UAV tracked the armor to its position, adjusted in real time, and delivered a precise strike. The hit stopped the vehicle cold, turning a combat asset into a burning wreck and tightening pressure on Ukrainian forces holding the line near Gulyaypole. The Russian Air Force launched a major operation in Gulyaypole. Combat units are actively dropping high-explosive FAB bombs onto Ukrainian defense positions. This bombardment aims to swiftly and massively cripple the opponent's fortified defenses. The aerial pressure on Gulyaypole continues to increase. Footage from the front lines shows assault troops reaching Varvarovka in armored vehicles under constant drone threat. Along the route, soldiers shot down enemy UAV with automatic weapons before continuing the advance on foot through dense forest. One assault reconnaissance trooper, call sign Gorley, recalled being attacked by 4 drones at once, crawling from cover into the tree line to survive. Despite repeated FPV drone attacks, the unit pressed on and successfully cleared an enemy dugout. A high-speed Kh-39 strike carved straight into Ukrainian drone command infrastructure in Shaikovka, Kharkiv region. The missile zeroed in on the control node run by the 3rd Special Forces Brigade, erasing the hub that coordinated UAV launches and battlefield surveillance. The impact severed control links instantly, grounding drones, silencing operators, and leaving the sector blind within moments. In the Konstantinovka sector, the now notorious swarm of Svarog UAV teams struck again. Their FPV drones locked onto another Ukrainian armored vehicle as it moved through the area, tracking it calmly before diving in. Seconds later, the strike hit home, leaving the vehicle disabled and burning, removed from the battlefield for good. Latest combat footage. Focus on the front line. A precision operation successfully captured the destruction of Ukrainian self-propelled artillery. Furthermore, the enemy's live forces and other vital targets were decisively neutralized. This heavy blow is significant in weakening the opponent's defenses, a major loss for the opposing side. December 16th marked another active combat day for Rubicon Center drone operators across several key axes. From Donbass to the Sumy and Krasny-Lyman directions, UAV crews were continuously in the air, hunting targets and pressing the fight. The strikes focused on Ukrainian manpower and aerial assets, with multiple hits recorded on enemy personnel positions. At the same time, Rubicon operators intercepted and destroyed fixed-wing UAVs attempting reconnaissance and strike missions. One large Ukrainian fixed-wing drone was tracked, engaged, and brought down, cutting off another aerial threat before it could complete its task. Specialists of the Rubicon Center continue systematic work across the Special Military Operations Zone, striking enemy hardware, elements of communication systems, and temporary deployment areas. Using UAVs, they locate targets in real time and deliver precise attacks that disrupt coordination and logistics on the ground. In a separate episode near Rodinskoye in the Donetsk People's Republic, UAV teams detected and destroyed an armed force of Ukraine E-300 Enterprise long-range kamikaze drone, preventing it from reaching its intended target. Russian assault units press into the encircled town of Myrhorod while driving forward along the Dnepropetrovsk axis, tightening the position with coordinated ground and drone action. As the advance unfolds, Ukrainian assets are methodically stripped away. Enemy CAY-201, or well-known as Gvozdika systems, are knocked out. Baba Yaga heavy drones are hunted down, shelters and field property are smashed, and the backbone of battlefield coordination, antennas and Starlink terminals, is torn apart. With each strike, visibility collapses, communications go dark, and resistance thins, turning Myrhorod into a sealed pocket under sustained pressure as the offensive momentum rolls west. That's all for today's update. Thanks for watching, and don't miss our upcoming videos.